What's up guys, Meredith with American Trucks, and today we are checking out the Bushwhacker Trail Armor rocker panels in matte black fitting all 2009 through 2018 quad cab Ram 1500. Now if you take your truck off-road, whether that's camping, hunting, or the work site, or really wherever, and you want a relatively affordable and very easy way to protect your rocker panels, these are going to be a fantastic solution. Now these will even be great if you have some existing damage or some very common paint bubble on your rockers and you want to cover it up for a more finished and even contrasted appearance with this nice matte black look. Now this set is going to come with 4 pieces to completely cover up your rocker area on the side and have a lower lip that comes down onto the pinch weld area that's going to protect it down below and of course create more of a finished appearance. Now they'll also come up high enough to kind of bend over your door sill area. That's going to protect your door sill, that painted portion, from any scratching, but also cover up any imperfections that may be there. And it's also going to have a couple little ridges on here to give you some extra traction when getting in and out. Now you'll also be able to mount these up with side steps. Most of the time they don't interfere with each other, but depending on the side step, you may have to do a little bit of modification, so just keep that in mind. Now these guards will be made of a dense TPO or thermoplastic material, which it pretty much just means that they're tough enough to take a hit if they need to and kind of hold up to constant kick up while maintaining their structural integrity. Now while these are tough, keep in mind they are still plastic, they're not indestructible, but they will be able to be put through their paces. Now they'll also come with a matte black finish. It is going to be textured, so it'll match very well with other factory textured black components that you may already have on your Ram, but I do want to mention that you are able to paint this with the right prep if you'd like. Now when it comes to installing these are going to have multiple strips of heavy-duty auto-grade 3M tape on the back, so just with the tape you can ensure that these aren't going to go anywhere. You also have a little bit of extra insurance considering that these mold and wrap up into the door sill area, and there's some tape on there as well, so these are going to fit very well and you won't have to worry about them coming off once you've installed them. This kit will come in at about $275, which is pretty affordable for side rocker protection. Now compared to other solutions, this may not be the most heavy-duty or durable option considering that it is plastic and others may have a metal construction, although you may not be beating on your truck that much, which will make these a better option for you. Now even if you are expecting a decent amount of hits to be taken with these rocker panels, but you want a non-permanent solution that you have the option to take off down the line or replace down the line, these are going to allow that. Now install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it will only take you about 30 minutes to get the job done. Most of the time it's going to be the prep of getting the side of the truck clean for these to be installed. Now speaking of the install, one of our customers here has installed this on their Ram and is going to walk you through what that process looks like step by step. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Bushwhacker rocker covers, about a 14 Ram. Went ahead, removed the adhesive backing on them already. The front edge of your rocker cover up with the very front edge of your rocker. I'm doing mine to cover up rust until prepared professionally. Slide it on. Push it down around all the edges. Same with the back side. It's a little trickier. You got to slide it up under the door here. Push it into place. Good push along all the sticky edges. Do give some spots where you could drill and put a rivet in a couple spots along these if you wanted to. And then repeat on the other side.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install on these Bushwhacker Trail Armor rocker panels in matte black fitting all 2009 through 2018 quad cab Ram 1500s, and you can find these right here at AmericanTrucks.com.